In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect interactive brokers to Sierra charts. By the end, you'll have your trading platform talking to your broker so you can route orders reliably and monitor them in one place. We'll keep this simple, clear, and practical, focusing on the exact settings you need and a few tips to avoid connection hiccups. First, configure interactive brokers. Open either Trader Workstation, often called TWS, or IB Gateway. These applications are what Sierra Chart connects to in order to send and receive data. In TWS or IB Gateway, go to Global Configuration, then General, and locate the API settings. Turn on the option that allows connections from local host. This tells TWS or IB Gateway to accept a connection from the same computer that's running Sierra Chart. Make sure that change is applied and saved. Keep TWS or IB Gateway running in the background. If it's closed, Sierra Chart won't be able to connect. If you're prompted about permissions when Sierra Chart tries to connect later, approve the connection so the two applications can talk to each other. Next, set up Sierra Chart. Open Sierra Chart and go to Global Settings, then Data, Trade Service Settings. In the Service dropdown, choose Interactive Brokers. This tells Sierra Chart exactly which connection method to use. Click OK to apply those changes. If you've had another service selected previously, it can help to close and reopen the Data Trade Service Settings window so you can confirm the selection has stuck. Keep Sierra Chart and TWS or IB Gateway on the same machine for the smoothest experience, since you enabled local host access in the first step. Now connect and trade. Once the connection is established, you can place orders directly from Sierra Chart using your usual trading interface. Orders you send from Sierra Chart will be routed to interactive brokers for execution, and you can view those orders and their statuses within Sierra Chart as well as inside TWS. This dual visibility is helpful for verifying fills and monitoring open positions. Before placing any live orders, test thoroughly. Use your paper trading environment to make sure quotes are flowing, order statuses update promptly, and everything behaves as expected. Watch Sierra Chart's message area for confirmation that the connection is active, and look for any warnings that might suggest an authorization or settings issue. Keep your platforms up to date and avoid changing API settings mid-session to prevent disconnects. That's it. With TWS or IB Gateway configured, Sierra Chart set to the interactive broker service, and the connection verified in a paper environment, you're ready to trade confidently through Sierra Chart.